In this video I will tell you shortly about Nokian Tyres Ground King loader and what makes it special tire for wheel loader applications. My name is Kimmo Kekki. I'm a product manager for Nokian Heavy Tyres earth moving segment. Nokian Tyres Ground King loader and the project started roughly 5 years ago when we saw a strong customer need for a versatile wheel loader tire which would have a good traction and it would be versatile in many types of terrains. And we created a new tire. It's based on Nokian HybridLock idea. So HybridLock combines the best features from block and lock pattern type of tires, enabling a smooth and high productivity work. The increased productivity was one of the key ideas to have in the tire, especially in the soft soil type of terrain where you really need those good self-cleaning properties and grip. The tire is ideal for those. Wheel loader tires, in general, the stability is a key feature. So in this case, the stability is ensured by our radial carcass, and we have made it even stronger by designing tough shoulders to the tread pattern. Some of the features in the tire, I mentioned that it's a radial tire and steel belted. It is also tubeless. It has a tread depth indicator for easy monitoring of the wear rate. It's mud and snow marked and also tested in both of the environments. It has a puncture protection features. I'm gonna tell it shortly about those in a while. And it's also studdable, which means that there's a pre-marked positions in the tread for studding. The features, the tire has a really tough wheel loader, specially developed carcass that gives the foundation for the stability. The HybridLock combined with the wide tread gives the excellent grip in soft soil, and it also prevents unnecessary damage to the soil. In the center line, the blocks are designed in a way that it has a good support and thereby it has a good durability, and the tire maintains its shape well, and it has an even wear rate in all parts of the tire. Traction booster is designed to have additional protection, and it also helps with the self-cleaning of the tread pattern. All heavy tires are made in Finland, but in addition we do global testing for our all products, and for example in this case we have covered the majority of markets, and we have an excellent know-how, and we know that the tire is suitable for the applications in versatile wheel loader work. You can read more about Nokian Tyres Ground King loader from our website, and the website also includes our dealer map, so you can find the nearest dealer for Ground King loader.